there! My name is Anupma Raj. I'm a computer engineer, and welcome to my video CV. Let me start by introducing myself. I'm 24 years old and I come from India. I traveled a lot while I was growing up, so I've lived in 8 different countries and done my schooling from 5 different schools. I did my bachelor's in computer engineering from India, and now I'm doing my master's in distributed software systems from Germany. I consider cloud computing, distributed systems, machine learning, and computer networks as my strongest concepts. So of course, I wanted to do my thesis in these. For my thesis, I'm making web analytics predictive for anomaly detection in distributed web applications. Although the challenge of gathering and processing distributed web application usage data can be solved through web analytics softwares, these softwares only focus on events that have already occurred. Through my thesis, I aim to make web analytics predictive and use these predictions to identify anomalies or changes in trends. I will be using predefined rule sets for identifying the severity of anomalies, which will then trigger automated alerts. I'm going to be implementing my solution on the platform as a service layer of SAP's cloud and making their web analytics software predictive so that we can identify anomalous behavior as it happens. I want to share my work portfolio with you. It shows some of the projects I've worked on, and let me start with my internship at Axel Springer. I wrote a threshold-based instances autoscaler for automating the manual scaling process at the infrastructure as a service layer. For a company like Springer, which has so much variance in their traffic patterns, automating the scaling process dramatically increases efficiency, saves resources, and reduces scaling reaction time. This was a super cool project. But when I started it, I didn't know Go programming at all. And I also hadn't worked on something so big by myself before. Over the 5 months that it took me to complete this project, I became much better at planning short and long-term goals, at foreseeing hurdles, and learning to overcome them in the deadlines that I set for myself. And on a side note, Go is now my favorite programming language. I've also worked on SAP Web Analytics in Java, implemented 2 improvements in data center TCP in C, and identified the features that influence customer churn through data mining. So while I was completing these projects, I met some really inspiring people, and here are some nice things they had to say about me. In case you're interested, I can provide full references. To sum up, here are the programming languages, platforms, cloud, and other technologies that I'm comfortable with. And these are the ones I consider myself best at. In my free time, I really enjoy blogging. I write about my travel adventures because I love seeing new places and discovering new cultures. I also enjoy Zumba and boxing because it keeps me healthy and sharp. I like public speaking and debating. So thank you for watching my video CV. If you're interested in speaking with me, you can call me or email me. You can download my CV here, view my LinkedIn here, and read my blog here. I should complete my master's by June 2016, and I'm available to work full-time right after. If I seem like a good fit for your team, I would love to hear from you. Have a great day.